morning!
Morning.
Today is Saturday. Evening, work ako ng evening shift last week. Pero last night, evening is umuwi ako ng maaga kasi hindi kinaya ng katawan ko at saka yung mata ko. So, masama pakiramdam ko kahapon. Ngayon medyo okay na. Uminom na ako ng paracetamol at saka yung eye drop na binigay sa akin ng doktor kasi masakit pa rin yung mata ko. And today naman, nakaplan na kaming pumunta ng Amsterdam kasi manunood kami ng The Odyssey. And then, with Bryce. Ito namang isa, humihingi ng paborito niyang chocolate cereal. Gawa natin siya tapos tayo'y it's already 5 minutes to 9 a.m. So, magprepare na ako para makaalis kami on time. Kasi magte-train lang kami. Nasa city center kasi sa sa Amsterdam. Kaya, okay, pwede naman siya mag-car kasi nga lang super busy. Especially ngayon Saturday weekend. Daming mga tourists dyan. So, magte-train lang kami. Malaki naman din ang discount namin kasi kasama namin si Bryce. So, may may discount pag meron kang student kasama. So, yun. You didn't get any, yeah.
I only have a ticket for myself.
So, dito na kami sa train station. Going to Amsterdam. Dumaan na kami sa bakery to get something to eat. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Just arrived here in Amsterdam as expected. Can I have some? Nakatayo lang kami sa train. Super busy. Tagal ko lang. Gusto si Alam Tower. Tagal ko lang hindi nakapunta dito.
I think it's there.
Yeah. You see how many people are there?
3 people.
Yeah. It's too busy. Libre pala dito ang ferry, guys. Tatawid lang naman dun, the other side. That is all for free. Very big bag. Ferry to Cooley. Not even 5 minutes, no? The ferry.
Ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Yeah. So, dito po kami manonood. Like a museum, film, theater. Ay. Huh? There it is. Cinema. Huh? iFilm Museum? Ang ganda, Lagi ko itong nakikita before. Ngayon nakapasok. I think we have to go down, honey. What?
Exaggerate.
Zo anders. Ik had verwacht dat ze Brits Engels hadden gedaan, Zuid-Amerikaans Engels. Ze zeiden mom, dad, ik ja, soms uitspreken.
When he shout dad, dad.
Huh?
Lunch guys. Caesar salad. Rice beer. Meat sandwich. And then the croquette sandwich. Are you hungry? Did you enjoy the movie?
Ja. Hij is goed.
There's a shoe store here though. There's a shoe store.
No, Suso is there.
Yeah. Ice cream guys, mainit na panahon. Huh? Yeah, right. Sunduin kami ng father-in-law ko. Parang andun na sila.
Slapen. Slapen.
Nee.
Slapen.
Hey, laat me de jochie eten. Je mag wel. Je mag wel. We're home. Bahay na. We have 2 packages. Let's open. Right. Oh my God. What is this?
Ryan! Je mag met de iPad als je vanavond in de stoel slaat.
Ah, okay. So, these are my moisturizer.
Nou,
The Dr. Althea 345. I ordered 2.
wil jij niet kunnen schuren?
Then, the other packet is Kuya. Hey. Right, can you get my laptop? Daddy's Oh, this is a MacBook Pro case.
Ryan.
Unboxing my new case. Got it from a casual place. What are you doing? Ah, okay. So like this. And then this one is this is so nice. Look, honey. Ain't it funny? Guys, punta tayo na supermarket. Bili lang ako pang fried chicken. Bukas pa talaga ako sa supermarket. Magbibili lang ako para pang hapunan. So, gusto nila mag fried chicken. So, fried chicken tayo. Let's go. Sana open pa yung Turk supermarket, then makabili ako dun ng chicken, yung maliliit na legs at tsaka chicken wings. Okay. Let's go. Madali tayo guys kasi it's already 5:42 na. Magko-close yung supermarket 6 o'clock eh. So, ayan lang naman oh. Happy Supermarket. Pili tayong chicken. Wala silang shrimp na tiger shrimp. Sayang. Great. Hindi pa naman kumain nun. Hi guys, I'm back. Ito yun lang talagang binili ko, chicken at saka wala akong nakitang shrimp, so bili lang ako ng dorada, yung isda, yung masarap iprito. Gustong gusto din yun ni Brian eh, yung dorada. So, dorade. Hirap talaga pag nag-aabol ka ng oras. Mamaya pa sana, bukas ko para sana itong gagawin kasi nag-lunch kami kanina sa Amsterdam, pero parang nasa mood ako magluto. Where's my phone? Let's marinate now the chicken for the fried chicken. So I'll just use dito din ako ng isda. Meron ako ditong yung mga maliliit na drumstick. So I have here 1 kilo. Enough na siguro ito sa amin. Pero knowing yung dalawa, ang lakas ng kumain. Maliliit din naman to eh. So, 1.5 ko na lang. Kung may sobra, then, ano ko sa fridge. And then, toyo. Wala na akong toyo. Oh my goodness. Lagyan natin ng toyo. And then pepper. Black pepper. Knoflook powder. Ang parami!
Yes!
Hey!
Yes! Yes, mommy? Oh, the food. Ew.
Let's marinate. Dito na tayo guys. Nagpainit na ako ng mantika. Sunflower oil gamit ko. Update. Lapit na. Ito na lang. Tapos ito. Ito na yung naluto. Crispy. Check natin. Try natin. Nice. Luto na rin yung kanin. Luto na rin yung kanin. Nag-edit ako guys. Nag-upload ako ngayon ng day 3 namin sa room. Malapit na. Upload ko na.